record. That's why it wouldn't do. Okay, so the such is life on a computer. Right. Okay, so actually the first quarter is the lower quartile. Right, so the lower quartile is the first quarter of the data. So the median here is at the halfway point. It's 50%. Okay, it's the 50th percentile. Any ideas where you think the lower quartile or the first quartile would be? No? Okay. Yeah, so we've got the median. What we do is we take that value out of play and then we look at this amount here, and this is the first half of the data. So what we do is we kind of do the median again, but we do the median of the lower half. So we've got 5 numbers here. So which number is the middle of that data? Yeah, it's a smaller list, so it's quite easy, right? We just find the middle. So this one has a number as well. If it was an even number of numbers, it'd be exactly like the median. You find the middle of 2 numbers. But so this is the lower quartile. And then obviously, tell me if I'm wrong, but the upper quartile will be the median of the top half. So the UKI will be the upper quartile, which is actually as Gordon said, the third quarter. All right. So you've got the first quarter, the second quarter, the third quarter, and then the fourth quarter is at the end. All right. Does that make sense to everyone? So it's just doing the median a couple more times. All right. So what we've got now, just to write that out, is we've got the median is at 730, but the lower quartile is at 670. The median is, we've already said, at 730, and the upper quartile is at 750. Okay, so that's when it says the upper and lower quartile. So they're done, those 2 bits, splitting it into quarters. Any questions before we move on to part B? Nope, good. Okay, so now part B says find the range and the interquartile range. So first of all, you guys know how to find the range. How do we find the range?
Number minus the smallest number.
Yeah, so we've got the maximum here. So 780, subtract the minimum here is 420. Now remember, I said you actually have to do that. So what's 780 minus 420? So 360 is the range. Right. What do you think the interquartile range would be? Exactly that, yeah. 750 for the upper quartile minus 670 for the lower quartile. So we've got max minus min, and we've got upper quartile minus lower quartile. What's the answer to that, by the way? 750 minus 670. Nope. 80. Yeah, that's it. It's 80. All right. So how do you all feel about that? Okay? Yeah? Easy enough, simple enough. The doing it is not the issue. It's pretty much just repeating what the median is. It's actually, which is what I will talk about in a bit, not just yet, is understanding why it's useful. Why do we bother? What is it about it that makes it worth doing? Because otherwise, it's just some maths that we do for the sake of doing maths. But we want to know what's the point. But we'll come back to that in a bit. I have made these notes. Is anyone writing anything or wants me to pause, or are we good to carry on? Okay, silence means I carry on. Cool. Right, so a different question. Right, this time we have a stem and leaf diagram. We're going to do the same thing. Find the median, the range, interquartile range. Okay, so let's go through it. What's the median? How do we find it? First step.
Well, figure out how much numbers there are.
And you did 15, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah. So 15 plus 1 divide by 2 gives me... Good. The 8th number. So if we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey? 12. Good. The median's 12. All right. What's the lower quartile? Well, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers in the lower half. So what's the middle of those 7 numbers? Well, we could do 7 plus 1 divided by 2 again, which is the 4th number. So if we did 1, 2, 3, 4, does that make sense? 1, 2, 3 below it and 1, 2, 3 above it. We're good. Does that make sense? So what's the lower quartile? 8. Okay. And then we can actually use this again. We just want to count 4 above the median for the top half. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the upper quartile is what value? No. 21, good. Okay. Median, tick. Range, not yet. What's the range?
The smallest number minus the largest.
Other way around. Max minus min. So what's the maximum number? 50. Okay. Subtract the minimum number is 2. So 50 minus 2 is 48. Okay. The interquartile range then is the upper quartile minus the lower quartile, which is good. And the answer is 13. Okay. Any particular questions on that?